Hey, I'm Simon, your technical guru. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the main PCB on your LG washer. If you are experiencing problems such as the washer not spinning or it's suddenly shutting down during a cycle with an error code LE, it might be time to inspect and possibly replace the important part. Before we jump into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more handy appliance repair tips. Let's get you back to laundry day success. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a Flatblade screwdriver, a pair of Sidecutters, a zip tie, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. The main PCB is mounted on the inside of the cabinet in the top left rear corner looking from the front of the washer. But we are going to test it from the rear at the motor connectors. To get there, we need to remove the rear access panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws, slide the panel up and out. Trace the harness you see at the back to the edge of the rotor. This is the RPS 4-wire plug. We've got white, blue, gray, and red wires. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Get your multimeter set to volts DC, letter V with 2 lines at the top. Insert the probes into white and gray terminals. We are measuring the PCB output. Then plug the washer in, make sure the door is closed, and press the power button on the left side of the control panel. Don't press the start button. If you are getting 10 to 15 volts DC, the main PCB and both white and gray wires are okay. If you read 0 volts DC, test the motor harness, and if the harness is good, replace the main PCB. With the washer unplugged, we need to remove the top panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 bottom screws from the rear plastic brackets. Slide the top panel back for less than an inch and take it off. We need to take the PCB's cover off. First, undo the wire tie on a push-in retainer from the top bracket. Pull the air hose off the pressure switch and out of the clip. Using the side cutters, cut off the zip tie. Remove the Phillips screw in the upper right corner, looking from the back. Slide the control left, push it up, and pull it out. Free the harness on the side of the PCB housing. Next, use the Flatblade screwdriver to undo the top and the side tabs and remove the cover. Pull it out of the way. We need to disconnect all the plugs from the old PCB. Take a few peeks just in case and remove all the plugs. Pull out the PCB. This is the old main PCB next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect all the plugs. If needed, refer to the photos you made earlier. Place the harness in the cutouts. Snap on the cover. Slide the harness into the retainer on the side of the control. Install the PCB through the holes, slide it to lock, and secure it with a Phillips screw from the rear. Secure the harness to the cover with a zip tie. Clip off the extras with the cutters. Place the air hose into the clip and onto the water level switch. Place the wire tie to secure the harness to the top bar. Plug the washer and check if it works. Unplug it, install the top, slide it forward to lock, and secure it with a couple of Phillips screws. And plug the washer in. That's it, you are done. Great job restoring your LG washer to working order. We hope the process was smooth and that your laundry routine is back on track. Share your repair experience with us in the comments below. We would love to hear how it went. If you found that you need a new main PCB, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Our site is stocked with quality parts at a great price, and most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thank you for trusting us with your appliance repair needs, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.